Aha. Wait. Well, sleeping on your back, it makes snoring worse, I read. Well, good night. It's too quiet without you snoring in my ear. Why are you snoring?
Yo you.
For, get this, snoring too loud. We'll probably miss his snoring the most. Ah. Mommy, Daddy, so I kind of checked it out and Yo-Yo was snoring.
He once killed a yo-yo for snoring.
Sorry. You mentioned Yo-Yo and she started snoring.
Go to sleep before your yo-yo starts snoring. Oh, come on.
More quicksand, more death beams and a bench in the shower. Sometimes I like to sit down.
Perhaps it's time you beam on out of here.
She's faking sleep. That's why she's not snoring.